Guys, this is exactly what we do. As you can see, we are doing these are beds. They're still not complete. These are the headrests. And then now we come to the headboards. These ones still are not complete. Then now we are coming to these ones. This is exactly what we do. These are outdoor chairs. These are outdoor chairs. Yeah, we are with Clinton again. He's always our guy here, the main finishing man. So you can see this timber is called camphor. The framework is camphor, but you can see the weaving is rattan on wrought. So it's a very easy fixture. Yeah, this is how he gets to do it. Yeah. Now these ones are also some outdoor sofas, and these are the chairs. Yeah, this is how we do it. Yeah, today I'm sharing with you a video of what goes around. Yeah, this is called sanding, grit sanding. We use, what is it called, Dominic?
It's called soft sandpaper.
Yeah, soft sandpaper. Yeah, correct. Dominic has expertise in furniture joinery and also finishing. As you can see, this is the bed that he did. This is made from rattan and mahogany. So the panelist is me and another old man. It's called Japheth. And then now these are the panelists that have been recessed inside. The wood is called mahogany. It comes from DRC Congo. Formerly the country was called Zaire, but after the war it was changed. So now it's called DRC Congo. It comes from the Congo forests. Yeah, so this is how it is. The country is like 1200 kilometers away from Kenya. It is highly valuable by the Congolese and foreigners. Yeah, so this is the furniture. So today I'm taking you around a bit so that you can be able to see some activities. Yeah, so guys, kindly like and share our content. It at least boosts the algorithm. Maybe Clinton, you can express yourself. How long have you done this?
It's now 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, from now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He's very good in these works. He's very good in this work. So before varnishing, intense sanding is done. I think you use the emery cloth, or first you use what? Which one do you use?
No. You know, there are so many types of sandpapers.
Oh, okay.
After the wood is joined,
Yeah.
we are going to sand number P60.
Oh, P60, okay.
P60 we are going to be 80. Followed by 100.
Okay.
Then the last but not least, there is 120. After we have applied 120 on it, we are going to do some undercoats.
Oh, undercoat.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So that is the sanding layer one.
Oh, okay.
After now we are start applying this.
Oh, smoothing. Okay.
That's the process.
Oh, yeah. Exactly. That's the process. As you can see, is with this craft.
Now this is clear varnish.
Oh, clear varnish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now this is clear varnish. This is the last coat.
Oh, this is the last coat. Ah, okay. You can see this is the last coat.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Ah, so